Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to have a quick look on this Sony FE28-70mm F3.5-5.6 OSS lens. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump ahead and get started. So this Sony FE28-70 is a E-mount 35mm full frame lens, which is the kit lens for this Sony A7 III that I've just have a quick look yesterday on yesterday's video. So yeah, so there's actually nothing interesting outside the box. Just some information about the lens and what included inside the box, like the lens hood, and it also has a optical steady shot. So yeah, without further ado, let's just crack it open. We don't need the unboxing knife, so let's just crack it open. Yep, so once opening the box, we have the lens itself wrapped in this nice bubble wrap. Yep, let's just put this aside for now. Deeper inside the box, we got this lens hood. Pretty good considering that it is a kit lens. Let's put this aside. So last thing we have here inside the box is just some information documents, some user manual, maybe just some paperwork that is not important at all. Yep. So yeah, let's just jump ahead and see the lens. Yeah, so this is how the lens looks like. It is not too big but not too small as well. It is really nicely built. It is actually better than Canon's kit lens. Yes, so it has this kind of lens cap. It also has a 55mm filter mount, which is small. It also has this lens protrusion outside, so I recommend to use some filter to cover it up. Also, it is better to use the lens hood directly, so I'm gonna do it now. Yep, so this is how it looks with the lens hood on. So this kit lens feature a infinite focus ring, so you can just spin it in all direction without having it to stop. And the difference between Sony and Canon lenses is it is in a different orientation. So if Canon's turn right to zoom out, for Sony turn right is for zoom in. Yeah, for some of you guys who would like to ask, is this Sony kit lens good enough for the Sony A7 III, or should you just get the body only and buy a better lens? So we're here to find out. So I'm gonna mount this Sony 28-70 lens to the Sony A7 III and see if it's good or not. Hey guys, so this is a test of a top-down video kind of style with the Sony A7 III with this FE28-70mm lens. So this is what kind of video and color you are expecting out of the box. So I'm not using any picture profile or anything. I used the same settings with the Canon before, so leave comments down below which one you prefer. And now I can show you the autofocus speed. So if so it's kind of quite fast for the price because it is a kit lens. So now I'm gonna switch to another scenario and see how it stands. Yes, so this is a video test of the Sony A7 III with the 28-70 kit lens with a Rode video mic go on top, so kind of give you guys a little bit of sneak peek on the sound preamp and also the video quality of the Sony A7 III. And the lens is pretty fast, if you can see. It's gonna focus like pretty good. Yep. It's gonna track back. Yep. So thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribe down below, and as always, stay awesome.